Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're throwing it back in style with the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, M Edition. If you're a fan of nostalgic design blended with modern performance, this is one keyboard that absolutely deserves a spot on your desk in 2025. Let's start with the standout design. Inspired by classic retro consoles, the M Edition brings those nostalgic vibes in a clean, compact 87-key TKL layout. The beige and gray color scheme with bold accents feels like a love letter to the 80s and 90s, but this isn't just about looks. This keyboard features hot-swappable mechanical switches, letting you easily customize the feel and sound of your keystrokes. Whether you're into clicky, tactile, or linear switches, the 8BitDo M Edition lets you fine-tune your typing or gaming experience to your exact preference. One of the coolest features, the dual super programmable buttons. Yes, those two red super buttons on the top corners. You can map them to almost anything: macros, quick launch apps, system shortcuts, or gaming controls. Perfect for streamers, power users, or productivity warriors. Connectivity is rock solid with Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired modes. You can easily switch between your laptop, Android tablet, and PC with zero latency and excellent battery life. It's cross-platform, but optimized for Windows and Android, so whether you're working or gaming, you're covered. Despite its retro look, this keyboard is all about modern convenience. There's an key rollover, anti-ghosting, and a durable build that feels premium, from the keycaps to the metal plate construction. And the compact size makes it ideal for minimal desk setups or travel use. Whether you're a gamer, coder, or just someone who appreciates premium gear with a nostalgic twist, the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, M Edition hits that perfect balance between form and function. Check the link in the description for the best deal and switch options. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a daily drop of retro modern tech. Catch you in the next one.